I'm working on my second plate right now. Got a chorizo omelet. I already bit into it, sorry. Let's take a look at that cheese right there. Oh, baby. Oh my God. Cathy and I are chilling by the pool, and we have some food now. We got some fish tacos and some ceviche.
After the pool, we want to go to the gym because we have time. So here it is. Here's the weight, which is nice. It's huge, bigger than our gym, which is awesome. We have a lot of things that we haven't used for a long time, which we're going to use, like the bench. And then over there is the cardio. So if you want to look there. Oh, and then there's also a nice view right over there. There's the cardio and then the bathroom's over there. We're about to like make it easier.
No, they can probably hear us.
Cardio. Bathroom. And what's nice is they give you towels and bottled water, which is cool.
Right there. Hey. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay, this is what the outside of our room looks like. Around 5:30 p.m. Where we at?
Oh, we're at the Asian restaurant. I don't know the name. I forgot.
Dozo, I think.
Dozo. And we ordered, so we're just waiting for our food and we're enjoying drinks.
So this is a sushi place and a teppanyaki place. As you can see behind Cathy, there's the teppanyaki section.
Yeah.
But we opted to not do that because we've done stuff like that before.
Yeah, when we were younger.
This is what it looks like in the inside. How's the eel?
Eel is cold but good. I think you'll like it.
Yeah. This is the, I don't even know what it's called, but I'll look into it later.
Mine is the garlic noodle.
Yeah.
Garlic noodle. Oops, I got two.
Dear Cathy, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Bravo.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias, thank you.
20 años.
It says happy birthday, Adam, but I guess if Cathy's birthday is my birthday, right? Let's try this ginger flan. Man, we got desserts on desserts. Ginger flan.
Good.
I like it. I like it.